interesting thing is to understand that in the Māori world, everything is connected by a whakapapa. Everything has a mauri, a life essence, and everything has a wairua or a spirit. And the fundamental belief is that everything is connected in some way.
All these things need to be present and in balance. So without the plants, we're not creating those exudates. We don't have the engine house of this web to fuel it. The excesses of the carbon and the nutrients, the nematode can't hold that in its body, and so it's pooping it out, and then that poop is going to be distributing those nutrients in the form that the plants can take up.
So once the pile is complete, we'll be analysing it under the microscope, looking for all the members of the microbes in the soil food web: bacteria, protozoa, nematodes, fungi, and the latter, fungi being really, really important.
That's the soil food web in action right there. So that's the predator eating up our primary decomposer. There were dueling nematodes. Pretty handsome compost. That's a beautiful strand of fungi there. I'm super excited about looking at this. That's where we can transform the growing systems in Aotearoa, which is what we're up for.